yeah. Smoking on rose cigars, Hollywood Boulevard. I can see it all now. You could be bigger than.
Hi everybody, today we're going to be making some brownies. Oh, baking with Gracie, let's go. But are you guys in for a chocolate surprise or supreme? Okay, literally this should be the easiest. Oh, I wish we could make these sandwiches. And then it says better chocolate, better brownies. Well, guess what? They might be good. We don't really know. There's no guarantee. But it includes chocolate. Oh, I was like, what fell out of the packaging? We've got chocolate syrup that I was just talking about. I look like trash. School was long. I had. Okay, anyway, why do I keep getting sidetracked? I look gross. This is not how to gain subscribers, Grace. You gotta be hot. Okay, we're gonna upper oven bake, and then wait, what did it say? 325? Was it? Okay, bananas. Okay, so now it is baking and preheating. I mean, same thing, right? Oh no, wait. Prepare baking pan by lightly greasing, like my hair. Greasy, get it? Never mind. Greasing or spraying with non-stick cooking spray. Here you go. Oh shoot. Okay, well, this is our options. We can make, ew. This isn't even washed. Yeah, I'm putting that over there. Okay, I think this would be fine, right? What are the things? Wait, this is fine. Literally, what? Okay, well, 11/7. There's no choice for that. Wait. Here we go. We got an 8x8x2. False alarm, guys. We've got it. We've got it all. Shout out to Made in China. Prepare by lightly greasing or spraying with non-stick cooking. Yeah. Is this what we need? No stick cooking. We're gonna use it because there's 0 calories, and we love a. Yeah. You guys saw the mess I just made too, didn't you? So I got this for us while we cook. Wait, that's not gonna be a good idea if I'm cooking and eating. Whatever. Place water, oil, and egg in medium bowl. Okay, so we need water.
There must be something in the water. Oh, there must be
1/4 cup. Yeah, that's. Wait, yeah, that's 1/4 of a cup. So we need to dump out like everything. There we go. That looks good. Okay, so it said I need 1/3 cup vegetable oil. Is canola oil the same thing? Because I don't know, but we're gonna put this oil in it and we're just gonna see if that works out. So we have our 1/4 water. We have our oil, which we need 1/3 of that. Okay, so then we're gonna, okay. And then we need the crack of the egg. This is, look how cute this egg is, first of all. That is so tiny. Like, I have tiny hands. Okay. We love that.
Wiggle, jiggle, yellow middle. That's the best of what you are. I love the egg. White and tender, surround the center.
And then it says, add brownie mix and chocolate syrup. And then in parentheses it says enclosed. What does that mean? I'm just gonna add this. I don't really know. Is this bowl too small? Oh my gosh, this is definitely too small. Like, it's usually like not that. Oh my gosh. Okay, I made a mess. Okay. Anyway, it's okay, my mom's not home. My mom's not home. Okay. Well, you know what? I just got oil everywhere. No. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, I'm so screwed. Wait, hold up. We gotta get this out of the way. Oh my god, there's oil everywhere. My Cheetos! No. Okay. This is not okay. So, I need to find, of course, I'm still like worrying about where my camera needs to be. Okay, first of all, we just lost a lot of oil. Oh, okay, wait. We need to get these all spread out. I don't know what it is, but it's important. Oil splashing everywhere. Okay. Why does everything, ew, I try to be nice and make brownies for my family, and then this is what happens. I did not even realize we had an oil spill. Ew! Ew, Ew, that's not satisfying at all. Hold up. Ew. Ew, this is so oily. Imagine like oil everywhere. I mean, I'm kind of making a huge mess. And she's always like, works hard to keep the house clean. And then this is the crap I do. And then I ruin her papers. That's okay because the vitamins and the Cheetos are okay. So, okay, we're gonna go back to the regularly scheduled programming now. I look like a little kid. It's actually getting more brownie-ish though. Oh my god, I feel like I have to be like ripped to do this. Okay, blended. Okay. Oh my god, this is a workout. Should I just become a baking channel? Oh my god, my hands are hurting. Okay, let's make some chocolate art real quick. Wait. That didn't work out. I was gonna write subscribe, but aw, looks like I just gotta eat this. Yeah. Oh, okay, well. This isn't going very well. Oh my, oh, okay. These brownies are gonna be thick boys. This is a really small pan. Small pan does not equal small brownies. Math. Y'all need to wife me up because I can bake, cook, and make oil messes. I know you all need that in your life. And okay, so it's been like 25 minutes, 20 minutes I think. And this is what they are looking like. So yeah, they smell like chocolate. And I'm eating a banana. So yeah, swag. What?
15 minutes later.
And we are gonna pull them out of the oven. Yeah, okay. Oh yeah, they look done. Oh shoot. Okay, this isn't working out. I need to use two hands. 1 second. I'm not as swole as I used to be. Back in my days where I would just pick it up with one. That was a joke. Okay. So, there we go. Wait, let's just stab it. Ew, wait, that actually looks good. Dude, look how dysfunctional these brownies look. Like, you know what? I tried my hardest, that's all that matters. Wait, I messed up. I was supposed to put the chocolate syrup in there. I thought I was supposed to put it after. Well, oh wait, what the heck? Oh my god. Well, this was definitely supposed to go inside, but we're gonna put it on top because that's kind of what I assumed that you would do with it. I mean, this looks horrible. Maybe I'm not wife material, but I'm trying my hardest. That's what I am. This looks way too chocolatey. Oh, this isn't even like a... Okay. You know what's funny? This is probably like 500 plus calories on this plate right here, and it literally looks like a pile of crumbs. Is it good? Is it worth eating? I mean, okay, it's not bad, it's just super rich. Like, if you're craving chocolate, I feel like this would be like good. But it's too rich for me. So my mom's home and I heard her eat a brownie, I think.
Extra crispy kernel.
What's that? Oh,
The extra crispy kernel.
oh my god.
It's the same guy you're talking about.
I want this part.
They don't look good, but they might taste
Hey Gracie, give
okay.
me. You gotta,
Oh, my dad's still cleaning up my oil spill. Apparently there was like a lot
let me do the
more.
moonwalk.
Oh my god. I guess you could do it to the slippery floor.
Yeah, I was good at that.
My mom thinks it tastes
That's
good.
how I met your mom. You know what I mean?
don't know, but I just ate about 1,000 calories.
My mom just ate about, yeah, look how many calories.
2 brownies.
Mom.
What?
Yeah, look at it. Oh, mukbang. They don't look good. I honestly wouldn't have eaten one. I had to eat one for the video, and it fell apart. I wasn't even hungry at that point. I was just like tired.
Don't stress that much over.
Look, she's sweating. Where's that grease?
Brownies.
No, it's shower.
Oh, you spilled.
It's the oil spill. The greasy
Get
greasy
this
oil
empty
spill.
pad. It's slippery everywhere still.
I didn't even have
We're gonna
anything.
take these mats and we'll take those. I'm gonna wash everything, and then you can Swiffer this whole area.
That's great.
Then we'll get it off me.
It wasn't even on you.
I was like, bless your faces. Come on, guys.
There's not much that upsets your mother.
No, not later.
Here you go, Grace.
That's stupid, people.
Spill oil everywhere.
Are you throwing shade at me?
Yes.
She just called me stupid.
No, I did not. Not you.
Stupid is as stupid does.
Hey.
Call the EPA on her.
It didn't even get on this side of the floor.
That doesn't matter.
No,
We're sponsored by Capture.
what? I wish.
Here, take some of these towels.
Is he really videotaping?
Working.
I don't know what the...
Her fans want to see her working. Get it good, because man, there's a bunch of oil everywhere.
He's not.
Looks like somebody changed their car oil in here. In a big diesel truck.
Don't use any more of that.
Maybe a haunted truck.
Troy.
No, the more stuff that you use, the
I
harder
gotta meet
it's
that
gonna
kid.
clean up. No
I gotta
more
meet that
product.
kid.
No more product. Just elbow grease. Just a good rubbing.
I just like spraying the floor. This is the most I've ever got work out of Gracie.
Yeah, because I felt super guilty.
Well, you should. You had a moron attack.
Mom just said no more spraying. And you just spray more.
Look, she spread everything she got greasy out on the floor.
I figured it would evaporate.
Wrong.
I was filming my Cheetos or something, and then I knocked the thing over, and I didn't realize what happened for a good 5 seconds.
Whatever.
And then there was a big pool of oil. And I was like, oh my
Oil.
god.
Go
Oil.
get you a towel there. Oil. Carl.
Oil.
Carl.
This isn't even a cooking show anymore.
Well, it's
What am I supposed to title the video?
Dumas.
He basically cussed in my video.
I did not. Dumas is not a cuss word.
We all know what you mean.
Well, I don't know who you're talking about, but I didn't say it. Whatever.
Okay, I think we're good.
Your room's got a lot of stuff on the floor that I just spent a lot of time cleaning yesterday.
No, it's just schoolwork.
Get it all picked up tonight.
It's a train wreck in here. Oh, that's going to cost you another hour's worth of work.
Am I done?
No, huh? Pick up that Swiffer stuff.
What? You threw it on the floor.
Well, I didn't throw it on the floor.
Ew, it just spilled.
Oh, just pick it up and put it in the
Wait,
closet.
that's gonna kill me.
Yeah, don't make any more mess. Doobie-doobie-doo, where are you? Put that in the closet with that thing. We just
What,
need
this
batteries for
here?
that thing, yeah. We never use it. No, not in there, moron. That was a perfect example.
You
Did you
just
do
said
that?
put it in there.
No, take that bottle you put in there.
What?
You gotta leave it there.
Tracy.
You're not done.
Gracie, go Fairfield.
Oh my god. You're being filmed right now. This is all gonna be on my channel. Back up. Stop.
Look at the it's everywhere I step you can see my
Oh, you're right. It's oil. You gotta go all over it,
it's an
man.
oil spill.
That's why I'm
I
still
think we
walking.
need our hardwood floors we finished.
Follow my mom on Instagram at farmer6340.
Hey.
Oh.
Son of a bitch, do not break her camera. Stay away from her camera. Seriously, don't let him touch it.
It just did a
Dude,
hard.
if you break it.
It was all right.